In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Iron Fist in Untitled boxing game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be giving a brief description on how to get the Iron Fist fighting style, and I'm also going to talk about how it feels to play and what you can expect. So to get the Iron Fist fighting style, all that you have to do is go over to the Fight Styles option over here at the left side of the screen, and you will be able to roll for it on the gacha. So as you can see, it is under the legendary category with a 1% drop rate. It is right here between Ghost and Freedom, and all that you have to do is click the option to spin and see if you can get the legendary fight style Iron Fist. So when you roll for any random fighting style and you acquire it here, it has a chance of being the Iron Fist. Now sadly for this video, I don't actually have it on my account, as you can clearly notice, so I won't be able to demonstrate it in actual gameplay, but I'm still gonna give you an overview on what to expect. So the Iron Fist style is an in-boxing style with fists that swing like iron mallets. It has a high overall damage output, and the heavy punch or M2 can deal unbelievable damage. It inflicts a slowing debuff and takes less counter damage while throwing the M2. The Iron Fist's ultimate does the most damage out of any ultimate in the game, and with good dashes and a huge damage output, the Iron Fist style is a terrifying style to go blow to blow with. The biggest strength of this style is also one of the weaknesses, the heavy punch or M2. The Iron Fist's M2 is slow and it can be easily perfectly dodged. The M2 can also hurt you if you land it, and it will start to hurt you if the M2 is blocked. So essentially, you really have to look out for any openings that you have when playing as the Iron Fist, because even though you have a lot of damage coming out from your M2 punches, it is going to be much slower than usual, and like I said, it can give openings to your opponent to screw you over. So always be careful when throwing those out, and you should be able to make the best usage out of the Iron Fist. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Iron Fist in Untitled boxing game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.